Are you trying? Are you selling all for 5?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. You can't beat that.
And then a mushroom bed.
Oh, do you? Oh, how cool is that?
I know, we bought the morels.
Oh, nice.
I know.
We have a nice, dark, moist area.
Yeah.
Cool.
All right, I'm gonna think about that.
You go right
Did you
ahead.
pay for this stuff?
I haven't paid for that.
Are you taking these too?
Yeah.
We'll pay for it so we can get it out of here. I gotta go.
Okay, so how much do I owe you so far?
30.
Okay, so
40,
we've got the gumball, the bowls, and those lights. Okay.
and this thing.
So 5, 15, 20, and we'll do 5.
I just have to. 1 second. I'm gonna grab my paper because I need to. There's like 3 different people, so
Okay.
it'll be easier if I spread it out right now.
God, these are cute too. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, you want to get this? I'll carry those.
Okay. No, we're not gonna use those.
Right, you're just for
No.
Hey,
Don't break my bowl, sis.
I'll fill it up
Thank
with
you.
Like a weird pigeon.
Yeah, might as well stay in the $40. I did tell that lady 30, but for the
For the composter. Okay.
So she comes back. She
Okay.
I'm still so excited to see Rosie here.
I know. It's like, oh, I just feel like I have been feeling a little. It's so busy this spring. I feel like disconnected. Like I was.
I put them. Here we go. There he is. You can put one. That's Jay.
Oh, they're cute couple.
Aren't they adorable?
Yeah.
Now his family's from the Midwest area.
Oh, okay.
And I'm not sure, I haven't heard. But she's only allowed, according to Bethel, only allowed to have 10 people at the wedding. And that pretty much takes up her mom and dad and her brothers, her grandma and grandpa, her and the groom.
Right. So that's
Yeah. Okay, so that's EJ. And oh,
So you had 5 on the VHS and then 10 on that calculator.
no, well, they applied.
There you go.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah. Have a good day.
You too.
Tomorrow's my long one. Saturdays I try to go 5 and Sundays 6. So.
Oh, wow.
Saturdays I just go down to Ramsey Park and walk from there down to Riverstone and back.
Oh, geez, yeah,
And then on Sundays I like to go down to the lake
yeah.
and put in the 6-mile loop there.
That's nice down there, yeah.
My granddaughter likes me.
All right.
My great granddaughter.
Yeah, all right. Have a nice day. You like backpacks? There's a couple backpack there,
Oh.
survivor ones.
Alright. I'm alright. Got quite a few of them at home. I will not walk away with some type of bag.
Okay.
There you go.
It's kind of need a little cooler.
Yeah, for sure. Appreciate it.
I don't know if this one's 50 cents. I see two prices on this.
That's 50 cents.
And
Yeah.
this is $1.
Yeah. Because it has writings.
Yeah, I see that.
Mom, are you selling this chair or is it for sitting?
No, it's for you to sit down, dear.
Thanks.
That's why I put it there, just for you. DB broke my other chair. That's a German camera.
Is it okay?
Yeah, it works. I mean, it works.
Last time you used it.
Yeah,
Suppose.
it's a resell. But
Interesting.
they'll use it.
Yeah.
So what did you find?
Just
Good
these
cut.
two.
Okay. Thank you, Jenny.
You betcha. Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
It's good to meet you.
Carol, are you gonna be home later?
Oh, I just grabbed her for a second and then she'll be right back.
Just because when Jamie leaves, I may need a bathroom break. I'm gonna be gone from about 1:45 till about 1:45.
Okay.
That's fine, then. I'll be okay. But otherwise, I'll let you know. Otherwise,
Because I'm just grabbing her for a minute to go see, my sister
Well-
just had a huge tree cut down. We're gonna go see where the tree used to be.
where?
She lives on Norland Court off of Nunn, kind of on the left level to the, yeah. And so we're just gonna go look at that real quick and then I'll bring her back.
I know. We give them all, he's got all of our old ones at home. She's going to take them. It's like, go ahead, girl. Hi. How are you guys? Hi, good. How are you? Good, good.
Oh, that's a cute little daisy rain sprinkler.
We'll make you deal on all those.
Yeah.
You're
I'm just-
interested in them.
I was selling like this set and that all together.
You trying? Are you selling all for 5?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can't beat that.
Yeah, I'll do that.
$5 here.
Okay.
I have a bag.
You do.
Yeah. Save you the bags. Oh, is it? I checked this first couple. Are they all complete with the?
Should be.
I'm assuming
my
if-
husband's. And
Okay.
I'm pretty sure he got it
I-
all.
I can. If there's something missing, I can maybe find it online or something. Or I don't have to go through all of them. You're fine.
Okay, I mean, I don't mind that. There should be, 'cause I don't know where else it would be. So
There you go.
thank you.
Thank you.